Hi my loves, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are discussing 7 foods that will reverse your kidney damage. 7 good foods to reserve your kidney damage. Restoring your kidney health may be easier than you think. In this video, we are talking about deep into 7 top foods that can help prevent kidney damage, protect your kidneys, and even reverse some of the damage over time. By making a few changes to your diet, you can take significant steps towards healthier kidney and overall well-being. Many people believe that potassium is harmful to the kidneys. While it's true that individuals with advanced kidney disease may need to limit potassium, for most of us, potassium is essential. Our bodies require about 4,700 milligrams of potassium daily. Why is it important so much for the kidney health? Why is potassium so much important for the kidney health? Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, a key factor in preventing kidney damage. High blood pressure can stress the kidneys, leading to long-term damage. Potassium also helps to balance the effects of sodium. Excess sodium can harm the kidneys, but potassium can contract these and support proper kidney function. Additionally, potassium reduces the risk of kidney stones, which can lead to blockages and further kidney problems. Now, what causes kidney damage in the first place? There are many factors that contribute to kidney damage, including excessive sugar consumption. High sugar intake can lead to diabetes, which is one of the most leading causes of kidney disease. Alcohol. Drinking too much alcohol can dehydrate your body and place a strain on your kidney. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and certain medications. Overusing pain-relieving drugs like ibuprofen can damage the kidney. Pesticides and heavy metals. These toxic substances can accumulate in the kidneys and impair their function. Artificial food dyes found in many processed foods. These additives can be harmful to your kidney. Phosphorus from soda. The high level of phosphorus in soda can disrupt your kidney balance and also the function. So what can you do to protect your kidneys? 1. A nutrient-rich diet with potassium, magnesium, vitamin D is a great place to start. When you focus on whole unprocessed food, you give your kidney the tools they need to prepare and thrive. So here are 7 foods to reverse kidney damage. Number 1 is vegetables. Incorporate nutrient-rich vegetables like asparagus, celery, bell peppers, cabbage, cauliflower, and garlic into your diet. These vegetables are low in sodium and packed with vitamins and minerals that support kidney function. Garlic in particular has a powerful anti-inflammatory properties that help protect the kidneys from damage. Number 2 is magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium is crucial for kidney health. Foods like pumpkin seeds, leafy greens, avocados are excellent source of magnesium. So magnesium helps regulate blood pressure. It reduces inflammation. It supports the overall health of your kidney. So if needed, magnesium supplements like glycinate can also be beneficial to you. Number 3 is probiotic foods. Healthy gut bacteria play a significant role in kidney health. Fermented foods like kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi are rich in probiotics that promote a healthy microbiome. A healthy gut reduces the burden on your kidneys and improves overall detoxification. Number 4 is moderate high quality protein. While protein is essential for your body, consuming too much protein can strain your kidneys. Focus on moderate amount of high quality protein sources such as eggs, lean meats, and plant-based proteins like lentils and beans. Number 5, high antioxidant foods. Foods rich in antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress on the kidneys. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants that protect your kidney from damage. Beets are another excellent option as they improve blood flow and kidney function. Number 6, quercetin-rich foods. Onions are a powerful source of quercetin, a potent antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys from toxins. Including onions in your meals is a simple, effective way to support your kidney health. Number 7, extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a healthy fat that supports kidney function. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce kidney damage and improve overall kidney health. It's a versatile ingredient you can use in cooking, salad dressing, or even drizzling over vegetables. Don't forget dehydration. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest ways to support your kidneys. So drinking tea is a fantastic option, as it's not only hydrating but also rich in polyphenols, which have been shown to benefit kidney health. Green tea, nettle tea, dandelion tea, turmeric tea, and decaffeinated black tea are all great choices. These teas can help detoxify your kidney. And reduce inflammation. What about your lifestyle changes? Frequent snacking or consuming a high-carb diet can overburden the kidneys. Frequent snacking or consuming high-carb diet can overburden the kidney filtration system. So adopting a low-carb diet and practicing intermittent fasting can make a significant difference. It can make a significant difference. Intermittent fasting always allow your kidney to rest and recover by reducing insulin levels and decreasing overall stress on the kidney. So high insulin levels, often caused by excessive carb consumption, can damage the kidney over time. In conclusion, protecting your kidneys doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these 7 foods into your diet and making simple lifestyle changes like intermittent fasting, you can take control of your kidney health. Start making these changes today and give your kidney the care they truly deserve. I hope you got value from this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.